Any homeowner dreads flooding in their home, and for good reason. Water damage can quickly lead to lost property, mold growth, and serious structural issues. At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we understand the urgency of these situations. That's why we're available 24/7 to handle emergencies when you need us most. Our expert team specializes in mold damage removal in Chaska, Minnesota, restoring your home to a safe and healthy condition. Mold is not only destructive but also a threat to your family's well-being. With proven methods and professional-grade equipment, we stop damage in its tracks. From water extraction to thorough drying, we leave no detail unchecked. Whether it's water cleanup, structural drying, or mold removal, we bring the experience and dedication you can count on. Protecting your home is always our top priority. Don't let mold or water damage linger and create bigger problems. Let the professionals restore both your property and peace of mind. Call us now at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrestoration.com/areas-served-chaska-mn. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, restoring homes, protecting families.